and welcome to Bal Vatika. Yay! Today we are going to learn about birds. Birds have wings, right? Oh, see, did you see the birds on your screen? So many beautiful birds. Some live around us. Yes. Shall we start, birds? Uh-oh. Wow. First one is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock has a beautiful wings, beautiful feathers, so colorful bird. Yes. Now next one. Uh-oh, this is our parrot. Green parrot. Parrot has a red beak. And parrots like chili and guava also. Next one, pigeon. Yes, pigeon. And then, which is next? Next one, crow. Crow says ka, crow. And, oh, this is cock. Cock. Yes, cock-a-cock. Cock says cock-a-cock. Next, which one? Come fast. Oh, it's a sparrow. Small, little sparrow. Sparrow says, chee. Yes, sparrow says, chee. Yes. Now, which one next? Come fast. I'm waiting. Oh, it's a cuckoo. Cuckoo is a singing bird. It sings so well, so nice voice. It says, coo. Right. Did you hear? Yes. It's a cuckoo. Next one, owl. Owl is a night bird. Whole night he was watching like this. It's owl. Owl. And what comes next? Come fast. Oh, it's a duck. Quack. Duck says quack. Next one, eagle. Eagle flies so high. Next is a nightingale. It sings very nice. Next one is a swan. White swan. Swans swim in the water. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker? Yes. Do you know about woodpecker? Yes. Do you like? Yes. It's so nice. Sound is tuk. Yes. Next one is a flamingo. Pink flamingo. So, these all are birds. Birds can fly, birds can swim. Some birds fly so high, some birds fly and low. These all are birds. Yes. Did you enjoy? Yes? I'm sure you learned very nice birds. I know you are all learned about birds. Now we are going to sing one song. Bird song. Which one? It's two little dicky birds. Okay, let's do two little dicky birds. Set up on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Yay! It was Peter and Paul. So, now, what are you going to do? Now we do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget, write a comment in the comment box. Enjoy. Bye-bye and thank you.